Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video with Candy Store. Whoa. And today's video, we are in Bloxburg. I know might sound crazy, but today I have a plan to look like the richest person in this Bloxburg server today. Okay, let's get started. I'm a little shell. Bruh, I didn't sit in the shower. Let's go. So, kinda like save my other my Roblox avatar and that and this one I will change up. So go to like body first. Yeah, bodies. Yeah, okay, bodies. Huh. Bruh. Okay. I'm gonna work and come back with you guys in 3. So guys, I don't know if you realize that I got the money. I was just taking a shower, and I now know that guess what? It's time to dress up. So guys, let's get right onto it. What we're gonna do? Get rid of this awful hairstyle I got on here. But don't ask. Over to body because I know that will come close. Still down here. Bruh, when you still in the hairstyle. Come over here. I just forgot so much. Okay, guys. This is how the look is. I find it very decent. I know I really like how it looks. If you find you like how it looks, comment down below. Okay. So guys, hope you enjoy and like this video. And I'll see you in the next video. And peace.